Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, another vendor sent me a free product, pickleball paddles. And this is a paid review. Let's open this package and see what we got, shall we? And I have a great trusted assistant with me, my great wife and assistant, Susie, who's going to help me open this up. And she's going to help me play some pickleball. So let's see here. We got a pickleball paddle, and the company that makes them is Hideonia. And let's see what we got, shall we? It's great packaging. Nice. Gift packaging. There we go. Let's see what
towels.
Oh, so we got towels. Nice. So here's a towel for you.
Thank you, I'll need it.
It is, today while we were playing, it is 100 degrees where we're at. So we'll open these towels and use them. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so next thing that I see here is we've got a carrying strap, which is nice. Go over the shoulder like that. It's got a net bag where you can put your wallet or car keys. You know, if I tuck my car keys in there. So it's that, and carrying case like this. So then inside, and I haven't opened this up yet, so I really don't know what we're gonna have inside. So inside we have four pickleballs. And 2 pickleball paddles. Which I'm going to take these, just pack them in this outside here. Pickleball paddle. Oh, first thing I noticed is it's got I don't know if it's leather, but it's got a very nice grip. Very nice grip that you can really hang on to. We've gotten a couple of pickleball sets. This has the best grip, I believe. Really nice grip. It feels like if you're sweating, it wouldn't slip in your hand. Very nice. It's lightweight. Don't you feel like, you can come in here, Susie.
Yep,
it feels
good.
It feels like it's lightweight.
Okay.
Looks like I could, what do they call it?
Dink some balls?
Dink some balls and do some Ernies. All right, so we're going to hit a couple of balls and
see how they feel.
See how they feel.
Hideonia?
So, Hideonia pickleball paddles. We played some pickleball before. We played a little bit today. We're not really seriously outfitted up for pickleball today, but I love these paddles.
They're very comfortable.
Very comfortable, very balanced and well balanced. I would say, go get yourself some Hideonia pickleball set.
Really cool.
And
they're nice.
This with the case makes this such a nice set.